Hello my dear friends and my followers, today we're gonna have a tutorial on poppy flower wet felting project. On this video you can see in detail the whole process and get the basic technique. Are you ready to get started? So we're gonna need some supplies like merino sheep wool of different shades and colors. You can add some more colors if you would like to. Then goes colored viscose rayon. Take a spray bottle with a soapy water in it. Of course, we're gonna need some air bubble wrap and some decorative stamens in the middle part of our flower. To begin with, put your bubble wrap on a table, your towel or any other surface you would like. Make sure you feel comfortable while doing this. We're gonna take the bubble wrap and build up our layers, gently pulling the small pieces of wool and spreading them out in a more of a circular shape, one by one, overlapping them by half. The more sharp end of each piece goes to the center and the more feathered one to the side. As you can see, we're gonna start with the main color, gradually building it up and then adding other colors over it to make your flower more interesting and realistic. Build up the adequate thickness. As you are ready with building up the layers of your wool, take a viscose rayon. It will be our last layer. Viscose fibers will give us that vibrant, deep and voluminous effect, since we are going to shine bright. Put some more of the black and green viscose to give some depth to the center of your flower. We're gonna need to make 2 equal workpieces for our poppy flower. Spray some soapy water over the wool buildup to wet down all the fiber layers you have. Then, gently cover your piece with another part of bubble wrap and slightly rub it with your hands. Having this done, twist the whole structure and start rolling it in different directions until your fiber becomes more solid. Put a little bit of a pressure. And now we're gonna make some pieces for our leaves, grabbing some green wool. Remember, the more of different shades within one main color you take, the more voluminous effect you will get. Repeat all the same actions with your leaves. Having this done, rock out your pieces a little bit, gently rubbing them between your hands. Gently squeeze the excess of water. You can remove the water with a towel. You can also add some soapy water if you need to. Shape the pieces with your hands, gently pulling them to the sides. Once your pieces are ready, we're gonna even them a little bit. Check the middle part and make small cuts within the petals. Also, make some cuts on your leaves to make them look more natural. Each cut should be rubbed once again using soap spray. Now it's time to wash the pieces in clear water, gently squeezing the excess and shaping your poppy flower.
Living in a crowded dream, searching for the quiet that you need to breathe. Gave up on your sanity to hide behind your shadow, while you tried to take the sun down.
After that, we need to dry them. Finally, take your petals, other parts including decorations, and put them together to form a poppy flower. On the body side, we're gonna fix the clasp. And we are done! Such a cozy and elegant accessory like that poppy flower can make your outfit more unique and stylish. Thanks for watching!